Hope everyone's doing well. My name is EQ and welcome to Songaholics. Now if you just watched the previous video on Phantom, you notice I'm wearing the same thing. We're running this video back to back. We're going to be talking about Injective Protocol in this video, which is a DeFi solution. It's under $500,000 market cap with a lot of capital backing and names behind it, and major ecosystems working with the project. So I want to get right into this, but before we do, make sure to throw a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, come hit our Discord group. It would be greatly appreciated, and let's get the intro rolling. So today on Hunting Gems, we have Injective Protocol ranked 162nd on CoinMarketCap, $10.76 per coin, with a max supply and a total supply of 100 million, so it's finite and deflationary. There's currently 32.6 million in circulation, which is 33% of their max supply. Now they are already CERTIC audited, and right off the bat you can see a lot of names when you look at the tags: Cosmos, DeFi, Smart Contract Staking, BSC, Binance Launchpad, Binance Labs Portfolio, CMS Holdings Portfolio, Pantera Capital Portfolio, which is Mark Cuban, Polygon Ecosystem, and Phantom Ecosystem, which we just did our video on. So we got to bring it with the back-to-back heat. Now this project is really hot. It's been talked about a lot. It's getting added to exchanges quickly. A lot of names are talking about this, and you're going to see the marketing pick up relatively soon. Once Bitcoin starts to pick up some steam, these altcoins are going to take advantage. Especially a project like this. It's going to be the same thing as LivePeer, where you're seeing a lot of ads on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat and TikTok. Wherever it may be, you're going to see ads about Injective at some point. Before we dive deeper into this, shout out to Leet in our Discord group. Thank you so much, Leet. Appreciate everything you do for us. Now, this is one of Leet's deep dives. This is the Injective Protocol deep dive. If you want to look into this a little bit deeper, you want to come join our accelerator program, I'll leave the link in the bio. I'll leave the link in the comment section and the description, so you can come check out our accelerator program or join our Discord group. But this is going to be your best and fastest source of information in terms of projects that we're going to be covering and projects that we find interesting, to the point that we're going to be talking about on the YouTube channel. Going to their website, unlimited decentralized finance markets for crypto and everything else. You can create any financial market on Injective's fast, cross-chain, low-fee, secure, and fully decentralized protocol. They boast their 10,000 transaction per second speed, featured on multiple websites and companies. You see they have leverage trading, infinite markets, zero gas fees, 24/7 trading. They can execute sophisticated trades in seconds with instant transaction finality. You have the power to create any crypto or synthetic market of your choice on Injective. It offers everyone the same familiar trading experience as centralized exchanges while remaining entirely decentralized. And it's completely borderless, so it democratizes access to most of the advanced decentralized markets. Here are some of the projects that are building alongside, and that's a key word, alongside Injective, which means they are complementary to all these projects. So when the market goes up, this is going to go up significantly. But just to name a few: Binance, Cosmos, Polygon, Burnt Finance, Terra, these are huge companies. Staking on Injective, the staking calculator, relatively easy to use, self-explanatory. Just like Phantom, you can get your staking for your INJ and what you'd be expecting to make based on being a delegator or a validator and how much you're actually putting in. Now, for developers, it provides a state-of-the-art blockchain through which developers can launch extraordinary decentralized apps. It'll provide instant finality, high throughput, cross-chain interoperability enabled by IBC, Ethereum native experience, and EVM compatibility is going to be coming soon, so it can run the Ethereum dApps. And it'll run very similarly to the Ethereum dApps. Now you can go into the developer docs as well. This is another project that is open source, so you can find everything you need to see on Injective on their website. They are very transparent with everything they're doing. They also have a security audit, which you can see they had zero issues in anything. It was only an informational error, which is amazing to see. Those zero issues with the project. They didn't have to work on anything. There were no bugs in the code. There was nothing that could have gone wrong in their security script. Everything is perfect, which is exactly what we want to see with a project like this, especially when they're under $500,000 market cap. They want to be able to prove themselves and prove that they're worthy of going over $1 billion. And here's where you'll be able to see all of their open source code and all the documents and everything like that. If you want to take a deeper dive into Injective, make sure you do that too, because this is not financial advice by any means. So always do your own diligence when you're getting into trades. As you can see on the daily, there is really no volume. The RSI is flatlining under the 50, which can impulse, and the stochastic, fast stochastic, is an oversold. We're going to go through the indicators first and then go over at price action. You'll see why after. So the MACD is overturned as well. It's been red, so it has a lot of space to move back up. The VFI is definitely bullish. It's been trending upwards, and it's very far into the bullish on the daily, which is great to see. And the slow stochastic has been churning and burning in the oversold, looking to come back up finally, and maybe test the overbought area, which it hasn't done since early September. Now, when you're looking at price action, we moved up from this major support around $5 and moved up to this $10 range, and we are looking like we are holding support finally. What's important about the support range when I zoom out is that this was a key support hold previously. We hit it as a resistance, broke it out as an impulse, and we're able to hold support with multiple tests and one final confirmation of a long lower candle wick touching this area before we impulse up to test all-time highs around $25. And had a nice crash with Bitcoin coming all the way down to around the $5 range again, saving itself and climbing back up. Now we're hitting this support and potentially looking to push back up to retest all-time highs, which is more than a 2x move just to retest the all-time high. And being at a $300 million market cap or so, let's just call it 400 million. If it 10x's, that'll be 4 billion. That's possible, so this can be a $100 token, no problem. Just keep in mind all the names that you saw, Binance and everyone that they're working with. It's inevitable that a project like this is going to hit at least 3 billion market cap. And keep in mind that it's all relative. So when market cap starts to get higher, like at 4 and 5 and $6 trillion market cap for total market cap, it's not going to be far-fetched to see this over 3 billion, because 3 billion might not even put you in the top 50 at that point. Now, if you're looking to find this really good buy opportunity, make sure to come join our Discord group and we can talk about all that stuff. Those are things that we get into based on risk management, risk portfolio, and what you're willing to do. Teaching you how to trade instead of telling you how to trade, that's the key point. And this is going to about wrap up this video. If you didn't get a chance to throw a like in this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That'd be greatly appreciated if you could do so. You'll be able to catch these videos early if you come join our Discord group as well. And we'll catch you on the next.